In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. Let's get right into it so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. First, open your QuickBooks Online company and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is the main hub for your account and settings. Click that gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Subscriptions and Billing. That's the dedicated area where you manage everything related to your plan and payments. Once you're on the subscriptions and billing page, this is essentially your billing dashboard. Here, you'll typically see your current plan, the billing frequency, and your next charge date. You'll also find your payment method on file and a history of past invoices or receipts. This page is where you can review your plan details, keep your payment information current, and make sure your business info on invoices is accurate and up to date. If you're considering changes to your plan, this is the place where those options are usually presented. You can compare plan features, see pricing, and understand how upgrades or downgrades could affect your next billing cycle. You'll also often find options to manage add-ons, view promotional terms, or see renewal dates so there are no surprises. One important note: access to subscriptions and billing is permission-based. Typically, the primary admin or a user with the right permissions can view and manage billing. If you don't see the subscriptions and billing option, you may be signed in with a role that doesn't have access, or you might be using a test drive or sample company. Test drive environments are great for exploration, but they generally don't allow entry into live billing pages. That's by design, to protect sensitive account data. If the page doesn't load or you're missing content, try a quick refresh, switch to a supported browser, or use a private window to rule out cache issues. Also, ensure pop-up blockers aren't preventing any billing windows from opening. Regional variations may slightly change the labels you see, but the path remains the same. Gear icon, then subscriptions and billing. To recap, the process is simple. Click the gear icon at the top right, then choose subscriptions and billing. From there, you can review your plan and payment details, confirm billing dates, and keep everything current so your QuickBooks experience stays uninterrupted. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow the same steps anytime you need to check your plan or keep your billing information up to date.